Wagwan people, you're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video called 6 professional singers versus 1 fake. And basically, all the singers, or everybody there out of the 7, have to pick who the fake one is without really asking them straight up. Guys, if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know if you picked out the fake from the list of singers here, guys. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
I'm a singer.
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 All right, that guy in the glass is not a singer. This should be quite easy, I think. Oh, okay. Low-key, I want to skip to round 2, you know. Low-key, I need to skip to round 2. Hold on, where round 2 at? Because we get these right. You know what I'm saying? We get these right over here. All right.
Music do we sing?
I'm like a contemporary R&B type of person, sprinkled with a little bit of pop.
I can see that.
Cool.
Yeah.
And wait, can I ask, do you do live performances or do you record in a studio or at home or both?
Both. I have live. I do live music, and then I have like my own
Okay.
recorded music as well that I've put out
Okay.
over the past few years. If you want to check it out on Spotify and all those other spots, check it out.
I started training in
Tell us.
2015. I grew up not
Training.
musical almost at all.
And what got you into music?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little lost when I was younger, not knowing what I wanted to do when I grew up. Going to concerts and
Yo,
like
I think the guy that I actually sent in the glass that's not a singer got voted out.
witnessing the effect of like a lively lead singer. That was when.
Oh,
like,
no, he's there.
everyone
It's
felt
this
like it was
guy.
Connecting.
Is there a specific concert that you remember being like,
Walk the Moon.
yeah?
Walk the Moon, 2012. Nick Patrica.
Wow.
I am into hardcore thrash metal, new metal.
I don't think this guy's a singer. I think he's a guitar player.
I guess the look kind of gives it away.
Yeah, I get
You could tell from the stance. Ashley, do you want to answer your question?
Yeah, I'm an opera singer.
Okay.
So I started training since I was 14, but I've been singing my
Low-key, I can see the opera on her. Her voice kind of sounds like that.
whole life. I've been doing it professionally for about a decade now. It's been a crazy
Professionally.
career. I love opera because of how dramatic it is. Everything
Dramatic? That's what you call that glass-breaking voice? Yeah.
is heightened. It is the most dramatic thing, and I love it.
What do you sing? I'm curious about what you do.
Okay, I'm classically trained. I got started in choral music when I was 4, so I've been singing live most of my career professionally, but actually in the last couple of years I've transitioned into more
You say you're a professional singer. That means you get paid, right? Like, that's what a profession is, right? Like, you're telling me that all these guys that are saying that they sing live and all that stuff, they're getting paid?
sync licensing. Anytime you're watching a TV show or a movie or whatever and you hear music in the background, that's what that is.
What was
Ah.
your vocal range?
Like note to note.
Like, are you an alto? Are you a bass?
I think I'm a tenor. I think I can go
mean,
from a
I think you would know that by now. No, if you're a singer, you would know.
G flat 2 to a G flat 5, I think.
Okay.
Okay, got some range.
Okay, work.
Like that.
Can you hit a whistle note for me?
Okay, hold on.
I feel like we all should do that. No, or am I tripping?
Musical improv. So when I first got to LA,
Okay,
I got really into improv, and then took a musical improv class, and I was like, this is so much fun.
When did you start doing that? Like training for that, I guess.
So I took my first musical improv class in 2015, and then I took like a bunch more. One thing I
Yeah,
love
I'm
about
gonna
it
go with
is
he's
you
not
don't
the
have
singer.
to be the greatest singer. You, as long as you're like saying yes and like with your team, you know, you can
Yeah.
like.
I feel like it's worth noting, why did anybody vote Vidal out? For me personally, it was strictly because his hands were in his pockets.
I was gonna say the same thing. His hands were in his pockets, and his posture was just
What,
standing.
singers
you can
don't put
sing
their
a
hands in
song
there?
very easily, standing still straight. But the one rule, when
Yeah,
you
that's
perform
kinda
in
weird.
general, is you never have your hands in your pockets.
That's
and that
the
was
only-
a dead
There's,
giveaway.
Interesting.
there's like no movement for me.
Yeah, I think Josh. Like,
I
what the
do
fuck was
improv
he
and I do
saying?
music,
Bro, what was Josh saying? He's like, oh, when you have your team, you just have to say yeah. Like,
and I
get out of
don't
here,
do
bro.
both because that is really difficult.
Round 2, I voted for Shannon because I was like, okay, I don't know who to vote for right now. I was pretty certain we got it with Vidal already.
Just from the looks, I said this guy was out. Yeah, just from the looks.
I was gonna give everyone free tickets to my improv show.
I don't think they want to see your improv show. I don't know. That I wouldn't want to see that shit.
I I was surprised I didn't get voted out first.
Me too.
I just felt everybody was so confident, and the fact that I made it through 2 rounds, I'm proud of.
If you think the mole is still in the box and you wish to continue playing the game, please raise your hand. Wow.
Yeah,
They
so
all think the
honestly,
mole had-
from what they said with the guy with his hands in the pocket, like I've never really seen a singer like stay that still, I would say. So I can agree with that one too. But that other guy with the glasses for me, I didn't even hear him talk, nothing. I just said there's no way this guy's a singer. So let's see.
has been voted out. Who do we think is the mole? Who'd you vote for and why?
I think it was Josh. From the moment he started singing, he seemed to take it not as seriously, and he was kind of being silly with it. And I know if I were
I mean, low key, he did say he's like an improv guy, so that could like go along those lines. So
pretending to do something that I don't normally do, that's how I would do it.
Like improv and music, I don't normally hear that.
yeah, I've
He
never
said
heard that
specifically
before.
You don't have to be a classically trained singer or like a really skilled musician.
You say you don't have to be the greatest singer.
What do you mean by that?
Okay.
I hope you guys aren't a mole. 'cause I'll
I
be
know.
very upset.
I know, yeah, for real.
If the lights turn green, that means you voted
They
the mole
definitely
out
voted
and
the
you
mole
win.
out.
If the
I-
lights
I-
turn
I-
red,
I strongly
that means
feel
the
like-
mole is still in the box and you lose.
We voted the mole out because I voted Josh too. Who was the mole though?
Good work, everyone.
I kind of felt like it was going to be easy. Like singers always know.
You kind of know.
We
You
always
know.
know.
On the count of 3, will the mole please reveal themselves? 1, 2, 3.
Like, bro.
I knew it.
Bro, I said it before the video even started. I just said this guy's not the singer. Like, bro, I do these. I does this.
I did not vote for Josh ever. I was confident it wasn't him.
So I do improv, but I do not do musical improv. I prepared a little bit, but I was like, I'll just improvise my way through this. And,
Classic
didn't
Josh.
work out.
Didn't work.
I wanted to ask you guys if you want to sing now that you can all hear each other.
I'm down. I'm just gonna get loud. That's all I gotta say.
I want to hear your rendition of Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Oh,
to
she hit that shit.
All right, let me show you guys how it's done.
All right.
Happy birthday to you.
I mean, that's not the worst.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Happy birthday, dear nameless.
Happy birthday to
I will never be attending an opera. Good for y'all though. I mean, obviously.
Happy birthday.
Obviously, that takes some type of skill in town. But guys, let me know if you guys did pick the right one like I did. You know what I'm saying? If you did side with your boy, you know you got it right. But otherwise, you know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys later, man. Don't forget to drop that like,